Kisipai Duriau, Harangkat, Kakanhun NDRF, SDRF, menta kasngi balang kilayo, bansay kaway kamadiap na pedeng kisangut kinong bala, kibrasa akut, hapo ka krem ule, kabala nakasinong umpleng, East Interior District, kabala dya na duka laipo tarik ubanay jemang arjar apuwe.
Wait. Okay, सुनिए एक बार मेरी बात। बाकी सब लोग शांत रहिए। सर, अभी सबसे पहले सब से निकल जाएगा, सब क्लियर हो जाएगा, जेमिनी और बॉडी को कोई नहीं हो जाएगा उसके बाद ओके, सुनो, एनडीआरएफ ऐसा की है, एनडीआरएफ है, डेविड आवाज, मास्क पहनिए, कोई बिना मास्क के नहीं है ना?
Ki Navy ti kilala man say ka we ka met na po ng tenas. Pero no to. Na do banin hi kila subas ni badan atli ki suspicious objects. Ti yang men kila ba de ka we la de ka met. Ti nama ba kila tre unta la steng si e into kim pala ban ban verify itu we kin sa peteng pala siya. Yang manta na kata-kata ba ka kil nyo mitar e na kata jang slap buat simbiet ban menas. Nak step ka slap joli ti ginyak teng ya ka jing pom kana baka level jang kan dang hiat show balong mata ki don gamba totally ki pom e totally ka shaft number 1 totally ka shaft number 2 ibang na install ki bade ni apsan HP ti kini kin pom na mata e rin bala de say ni gamet kana ba water level kan kampuna kan kampun su yo Navy ban tenge operation par basay kila ibe ki NDRF SDRF ki don hato hi fire service kila sna pilang ha ban merak ki Navy api bun berpam pan yo ikanika pan le ikanika rescue mission but ni lenti hi baka kan sadan e la shay ta ba hadu matang labat ban on ba kumbang yo ya ga resort matasi ban yo go gamet ni dang Tarai bala shadow the sale of the PK bro tiad bet bandan jithut the area tagi we suspicious object the say gala bande we ni ki ting di ba sa tra ko ti tangi ni na mutasi.
I am Assistant Commander Santosh Kumar Singh from 1st Battalion NDRF Guwahati. From the last 18 days we are struggling to retrieve and we are searching any breakthrough. Meanwhile, Navy arrived a day before yesterday, and after the 2 days of the extensive search, we just got to know the depth of water in the main shaft is about 110 feet yesterday. But today, just because of rain and everything, when we checked the water level today, it was around 140-150 meter, 140-150 feet like. Okay. So for the diving operation, Navy divers did a tremendous, fantastic job together with the NDRF divers, and they went up to the ground level of the main shaft that was suspiciously located yesterday. But due to certain safety reasons, the body could not be retrieved yesterday. Today itself, they managed to get down. In the pair of the divers, they went down because in the morning time the turbidity was very less, and they just take the body of the victim from the main shaft and taken up slowly and very carefully, so that the body should be in an intact position as they got. And similarly, up to the water surface where the other divers and the team was there, they managed to wrap the body in a body bag. It was packed there only, and then after they take it out at about 12:40, we all jointly in the joint operation of NDRF, Indian Navy, SDRF, and other rescue agencies, we could able to retrieve the first body. Thank you.
Thanks.
Actually, it was a suspicious object. Most probably another body should be there. Yesterday itself, it was found on the main shaft near the rat hole, mouth of the rat hole. It has been traced. But today, since the diving is too much, it took about 3.5 hours of extensive diving operation.
And what
So
depth?
let's see. So body is still of the same depth on the ground of the main shaft, which is about 500 feet from the main ground. So we have to take another dive and hope for the best. We could be able to retrieve because the body is located near in the main shaft only.
Okay.